Welcome back. You're watching Storyboard. Kaun Banega Crorepati's latest season is back, and the promotional campaigns for the show have always left us charmed. And this time they are saying, "Jawab dene ka waqt aa gaya hai." We get an exclusive preview of the new promo for KBC and try to get sahi jawab from Danish Khan, EVP and business head Sony, and Nitesh Tiwari, director and writer for these films. Let's take a look.
वो मक्खी है जो आप ही की चाय में डुबकी लगाती है।
हम पूछने ही वाले थे, चाय में पानी कम डाला है क्या?
ऐसे सभी सवालों का जवाब देने का वक्त आ गया है।
This is the 6th season which I am a part of the KBC campaign. We had done a lot of stuff previously on the what knowledge can do to you, which is quite synonymous with what KBC is all about. But we wanted to move away from that because we wanted to come across with a theme which is a bit fresher. So that is what the basic brief was. The DNA remains the same, but the core campaign thought we should try and explore which is something different.
दिखा तो दे भाभी जी, आप ले पाएंगी?
Usually people are judged on the basis of their appearances, on the basis of their bank balance, on the basis of their financial status. The sad thing is that I am judging somebody on the basis of what he is today versus what he can be tomorrow. And tough questions are being asked to embarrass people. Questions usually get asked to show you down. But deep within we all know, no matter how humiliating situations can get, but there will be a day where I'll be able to get back. So that is exactly what the KBC platform also does.
आप तो 2 से 4 हो गए, पहिए तो 2 से 4 होंगे।
Me and my writer Nikhil, we've conceived this campaign. It was challenging for us to conceive because it does seem like a serious premise. So we had to resort to various writing techniques to make it light-hearted. Otherwise, it will tend to get very serious.
पूछने ही वाले थे, चाय में पानी कम डाला है क्या?
ऐसे सभी सवालों का जवाब देने का वक्त आ गया है।
Last time when KBC came 2 years back, in 14 days with 14 questions, there were 78 lakhs registration. This year, with just 7 questions, because the season is short, 7 questions, we have got 1.98 crores registration. So the response has been terrific. Last season, the average number of questions asked in one hour was around 7. This year we'll ensure that it is around 10 questions asked, so that gameplay is faster. We'll bring technology into play. The entire focus is to get the engagement level much higher than previous seasons.
वो कंकड़ है जो आप ही के निवाले में छिप के आता है।
दिखा तो दे भाभी जी, आप ले पाएंगी?
KBC started with Mr. Bachchan in Star Plus, and there is something about Mr. Bachchan. Okay, he represents the aspiration of Middle India. Okay, he's a guy who came from Allahabad. Okay, and created a name for himself. His life experience, his experience on the show, his ability to articulate and inspire contestant on the hot set, the audience in the studio, and people watching on television is irreplaceable, and we never thought of anybody else.
ऐसे सभी सवालों का जवाब देने का वक्त आ गया है।
With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. You can catch all our content on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back same time next week. See you soon.